Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this loaded cheesy nachos at home. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Do take a look. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large sized onion finely chopped, and add half a cup of green capsicum and half a cup of yellow capsicum, and you can even use red capsicum. Now add 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 1 spoon of oregano. You can even use pepper powder if you don't have oregano. Add 1 spoon of chili flakes, half a spoon of chaat masala, half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement. Add 1 cup of mozzarella or processed cheese. Add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup and give it a good mix. I'm adding some chili powder and some salt. You can adjust it as per your requirement and just give it a good mix. Now here I've used Corintos 2 packs. You can even use Doritos. Now I'm arranging 1 pack of nachos on an oven-proof plate. Now after arranging the nachos, add some vegetable mixture on top. Now add a few more nachos on top. Now I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese. Don't be stingy, add liberally. Now I'm adding the remaining vegetable mixture. Now add the other pack of nachos. And add some mozzarella cheese. Now I'm gonna microwave this for about 5 minutes. If you don't have a microwave, then you can simply place a pan and you just have to place a stand and place your plate on the stand and close and cook it until the cheese melts. So yeah, look at how cheesy and loaded it is. It can easily serve 3 people. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.